Hi there friends and fellow engineers. In this video we will unbox our latest compact development board called UNI. Let me show you what this 4-seater can do. Okay, let's unbox this beautiful box and see what's inside. Inside we'll find header pins, some nuts and bolts. We have this neat UNI schematic. And start of this video, UNI itself. Okay, let's tell something about UNI. On the front side, you'll see 4 microbus sockets, and with over 900 clickboards released, there are over 30 billion combinations possible. There are also 4 buttons and 4 matching LEDs for input-output operations. On the top, you'll see reset switch. And on the bottom you see power and charging LED indicators. On the back side we see more components. On the top there's prog and debug connector, which allows you connecting a code grip or microprog programmer. Also, it's worth mentioning that you can program this board with bootloader if there's any available for selected MCU. Down below it's MCU card socket. You see that this area is populated with 2 168-pin mezzanine connectors, some jumpers for selecting voltage level, and power supply circuit. MCU card socket will allow you swapping around 100 different MCU cards, and that number is basically increasing every week. Now remember that MCU card is generally one standard, but can host so many different architectures such as STM, Kinetis, PIC, and we also have PIC32 and more to come. So let's continue with the review. On this side you'll see holes for 2 1x26 headers that connect additional pins to the host MCU. And for your convenience, all these pins are grouped so you can easily access them. The UNI can be powered by battery or USB Type-C, and on the bottom you'll also see the power on off switch. And that's basically the basics of this UNI development board.